from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Some new regional transportation funding is coming to Henrico County. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute for Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. Rain on and off today, a high of 54. The News Minute is brought to you today by the Virginia Cliff Inn.
And now for the news.
Well, the Central Virginia Transportation Authority met last week and awarded nearly $148 million in regional funding to a slate of projects that will help impact movement through and around Henrico County and the Central Virginia region. It was the fourth round of regional funding in CVTA's history for projects that meet a specific set of funding criteria. Overall, the board awarded nearly $60 million to help fund 6 projects in Henrico. Those included $15 million for bus stations as part of GRTC's Pulse Bus Rapid Transit Line's westward expansion deeper into Henrico. Another $15 million for a train layover facility that will be built at Fulton Yard near Rockets Landing. $10 million for an improvement project to Woodman Road. $9 million for the relocation of Beulah Road in Sandston near Richmond International Airport. $6 million for the construction of the Fall Line Trails Longdale section, and $4.6 million for improvements to the I-95 Parham Road interchange. You can read much more about these projects and others on our website, henricocitizen.com, from our Community Vitality reporter, Dina Weinstein. A family of 5 in eastern Henrico has been displaced after a fire heavily damaged their home and destroyed a car. On Saturday, it happened on Cloverfield Court, that's off Cedar Fork Road. Fire officials said the family had used fireworks earlier in the day to celebrate a birthday. They later ignited in a trash can near the home, which quickly spread to the house. Thankfully, no one was injured. The family is staying with relatives. Well, instructional bills aimed at artificial intelligence standards are on track to pass through the General Assembly this session. As currently proposed, one Senate bill would establish a pilot program for practical AI use in public elementary and secondary schools. An annual report is due to lawmakers with the program slated to end July 1st of 2030. The bill would require the Board of Education to publish guidance for the safe, ethical, and equitable use of AI in public elementary and secondary schools, and also require school boards to develop policies consistent with the Board of Education's guidance. A House bill would require school boards to create a policy prohibiting students from being required, encouraged, or permitted to use an AI chatbot for instruction, lessons, or assignments in any course. You can read much more about these measures right now on our website from our partners at Virginia Mercury. And tonight at the Tin Pan, you can catch the Yardbirds, one of rock's most influential bands since the 1960s. They'll perform at 8 p.m. Current iteration includes founding member, drummer Jim McCarty. The band was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame back in 1992. For details or tickets, you can visit tinpanrva.com. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by the Virginia Cliff Inn. The Virginia Cliff Inn in Glen Allen is dedicated to creating unique and memorable experiences for every guest. Visit them at 2900 Mountain Road in Glen Allen or contact them at 382-0500 or vacliffinn.com. That's Cliff with an E.